I'm sure you find this real sweet as you watch a loving grandfather dancing and entertaining the baby while the grandmother feeds the baby. While this moment feels heartwarming, it's important to recognize the hidden risks here. There are so many practices we assume to be traditional and good for our kids, but aren't. And this is one such practice to break the truth to you: feeding the baby in a lying position. Now, watch this video to understand why you should never feed your child in this position and what's the best practices that you should ensure while introducing solids to your baby. Hello people, my name is Kavitha. I am founder of Tots and Moms Foods, and in today's video we are taking up a reel and talking about the cons that is happening in the scenario. So let's start the video. The positioning of the child in this video causes many concerns, and let's go through it one on one. Side effects of feeding your child in wrong position. One is choking hazard. Babies are learning the basics of eating, which includes safe swallowing. Now, feeding a baby in a reclined position or in a lying down position can elevate the risk of choking, as gravity isn't helping the food go down the right way. Now, how will it get in, right? By sitting upright, babies can swallow more naturally, reducing the choking risk and allowing them to manage the food in their mouths with greater control. They can control when to swallow, either it needs to be chewed or it needs to be swallowed. They'll understand what has to be done. Distraction feeding is also happening here. For growing babies, eating isn't just a necessity, it's an experience and an adventure, and hence it is called complementary feeding until a year, to make them ready by the year for solids or family food. Let me remind again. So what is the main food? Breast milk or formula milk until a year. Babies learn to enjoy textures, flavors, and the feel of food in their mouth when they are focused on eating. A show or dance may entertain them and make them eat more, but over time, distraction feeding is leading to fuzzy eating habits, or in some cases, overeating, as I said. For babies, each meal should be a time to explore, experiment, and develop a healthy relationship with food, free from all distractions. That's the best. Offering food in a liquid or overly runny or smooth consistency can prevent babies from developing essential chewing and swallowing skills. These are the skills that they have to learn in the first year. Now, it's important to remember that the main nutrition is coming from breast milk. So anything liquid should not replace it. Chewing helps stimulate the muscles in a baby's jaw and mouth, aiding their growth and coordination. Solid is just not about feeding the inside, it is about so many developments, and it surprises me every time I read research and talk about it. By introducing solids in their natural form, we help babies build the skills they will need to transition to whole nutritious foods as they grow. Now, as I have told you why this is not allowed, this is not great, let me tell you the best practices for introducing solids to babies. And it is very crucial to remember these things as you introduce solids. I have made detailed video on solid introduction, what is allowed till a year, what is not, texture, and other recommendations that are recommended by WHO and according to research. So do consider watching those videos. We will ensure we put it up here. So to begin with, wait until 6 months. Breast milk or formula provides all essential nutrition until 6 months. Starting solids earlier may increase risk of obesity, allergy, and other health issues. So beware of that. Check for readiness. Signs include stable head control. You can put up your baby in a tripod position and see if the baby's head control is good, and then you can take a call. Google for it. Let me know if you are interested to know what it is, and I will make a quick video on it. Interest in food should be shown. like when you are eating, baby should be eager to grasp it or just watch you, stare at you. So those are the ways that you can feel that your baby is showing interest, and the ability to swallow a small amount. Now, begin with iron-rich foods. Iron received from mom's womb starts depleting in baby's body post 6 months. So, choose options like healthy cereals or vegetable puree, and all those iron-rich fruits and vegetables can be included. You can also check out iron-rich foods at Tots and Mom's store. Create a safe eating environment. Feed the baby sitting up to reduce choking risk, and never leave them unattended while eating. Until a year, monitoring is very necessary. So please ensure, even if you are following traditional weaning or baby-led weaning, this has to be very well taken care of, and no reclining position or no sleeping or lying down position of the baby. You should never feed. That's what is the main topic about. Avoid salt, sugar and honey. Babies shouldn't have these until after 1 year. So keep food simple and natural. They can taste, I mean, their taste buds are more than 10,000. So any simple vegetables taste, they will definitely enjoy. So you don't have to think, without salt and sugar, how will my baby eat? We also used to eat, right? I mean, back. Saying no to outdated or risky feeding practices might feel uncomfortable, especially when these practices are beloved traditions like this, like grandpa dancing, and sometimes somebody's getting chocolates for your children and so many things. However, protecting our children's safety and setting them up for healthy eating habits is an act of love, not disrespect. So let's gently educate and show our family members why these changes matter, encouraging everyone to support practices that prioritize the well-being of our kids. So sometimes you may feel that you're doing too much, it's okay sometime, but no, if until a year if you offer honey, there are infant botulism cases. At my family it happened, and I had to fight for my child. You should as well. Beyond a point it goes haywire, so before that, stop. People should know that you will not allow any nonsense happening to your child. You should always be taken permission of whenever they want to offer anything to your child. Okay, so I really hope you like this video and the content here. I really also hope that you will take care of the matter that affects your child. And if you liked the video by any chance, do comment and let me know. It motivates me, inspires me to make more such videos. I know there are so many professionals putting out information, but I get to see and being asked lots of questions as I am in baby, kids and mom segment. So I make videos, I research a lot, I talk to doctor friends of mine, and definitely these are generic information. This is not to be considered as a medical advice any day. So lots of videos I have made which can be found useful, and many people also find it helpful, come back to me and say, give me recommendations about video topics. So if you do comment and let me know. And today I have 2 video recommendation, as it is related to baby. I would link it up for you to watch. No salt, sugar for babies till a year. Why, and many other things in detail you will find there. Baby fall and injury, how to handle when a baby falls down. Sometimes it vomits, sometimes it turns green. What has to be taken care of? When should you visit doctor? All those details can be found there. So please consider subscribing so that you get update for all these videos. And by the name you know that Tots and Moms is a food brand. And here we manufacture organic, chemical free baby, kids and moms foods. And since 10 years we are doing this, we recently touched our 2 million subscribers. As we see Food Farmer and many other health influencers talking about healthy food for babies. You see big brands add in so much sugar in their food, and since 10 years I know this, and this is the main reason I have started Tots and Moms Foods. So no products have any sugar when it is made for a baby. So baby cereals, instant mixes you can find made with millet and amaranth, makhana, many good things. And dry fruits powder, nuts and seeds powder are great for weight gaining. These are natural source of protein and healthy fats. And for older children, you can check on our pancake mixes, all healthy, made with jaggery and dry fruits, and drink mixes made with jaggery and dry fruits again. Our almond and date drink mix has almond 30%, dates 40%, and jaggery. So this is an amazing combination. Choco dates drink mix, which has natural cocoa powder bought in from Kerala, and it's made with almond, jaggery, super tasty, even includes dates. The other one is sprouted ragi almond drink. So this is amazing because the taste of sifted sprouted ragi is delicious. It's made with almond, sprouted ragi, elaichi a bit, and jaggery. So no hidden ingredients. We display 100% ingredients on our package, and this is since 10 years. Okay, so the world is getting awakened to checking on labels, and I'm so proud and happy that I've been doing it since 10 years. So check them out. You can also check our millet jaggery cookies. FitTuber made a video around 6 years back and announced these are India's healthiest cookies, and they are up even to date. You can go and check our reviews on our own website and even marketplace about how lovely these are, why people come here and to buy it. And there are products for mothers, calcium, iron and folic cookies, methi shakti powder for young girls during puberty, before and after. This is an amazing a mix that has to be given to young girls. It is a tradition down south, and even I heard in northern and western parts of India they offer this. So please go ahead and check all of these at our website totsandmoms.com. And regular customers on every purchase get discount and points, so it's a great place to shop our products. If convenience is the key, we are there on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket, Meesho, and many other places. Do check them out as well. And if you have watched the video till now, thank you so much. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.